Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. See? We want to welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Make a good platform. Press the like button. Either way, you know, see, make you feel good. See? Yes, So, we observe a little thing going on in all Harbour side the other day, Rasta, where we have to make mention, you know, see, car Rastafari, Jano, it's evidence of the depraved state of mind and mentality with which we are abide these days. You get what I say? You know, it's merciless. God, at the end of the day, Rasta, you have a football field where people are play ball, a crowd of people play ball, you know, and some ones feel like, say, it's open season, it's bird season, and them can just walk in and just randomly just fire gunshot from poor people, Rasta. You know? Yo, this something needs to be blood clot done. You know, see, every gunman in Jamaica can't be them type of something. Yeah. This a can't the way how them you. How will the blood clot are going? So nobody not out there. You want them to say every gunman love them style, yeah? Every man will step, every man will say them a gangster. And them style you wanna love, eh? Them style you wanna love? Nah, man, yo. I man have hopes, Rasta. I man have faith, Rasta. So it's not all that distorted and depraved. No, Rasta. Some youth down there must did learn some for read and write in a school, Rasta. Some of them gunmen, Rasta, have some level of, you know, conscience. You know, must realize, say, this thing I can't work and go far without them brutality and carelessness here. With them sort of carelessness and nobody no want look for you in the aftermath, you know, because at the end of the day, you're too cruel and brutal. It's not a good brand, you know, good for nobody be around you. You will draw them down with your quality, with your mentality and things like that. You see, Rastafari, Jano, you can't have people now, and we not give it Jamaica, you know. We not drop no blood clot shoulder and talk about Jamaica done, Jamaica mash up, Jamaica gone to the dark. You have one good Jamaican down there. You know, see, you have even one authentic foundation Jamaican was still hold on to the pledge. You know, see, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the human race. Somebody down there still believe and holds firmly to that Rasta, regardless of how demoralizing the politician them and everybody else, for that matter, make it seems. You know, see, somebody down there believe in a Jamaica and know, say, there is need for love and appreciate love one another more. You know, see, because them looseness and carelessness here. Have a little video. Go watch a little video and get back in it. Because them thing are Rasta hell. Them thing are cold. Them thing are Satan and devil. You expect a Satan angel them you expect When the Peter L opening of the perceived judgment where the Christian them about there, at them thing I expect to see the devil them come up out of, the Satan angel them come up out of the ground come to Rasta. Them sort of carelessness here. Watch out. You hear that whistling, that shot whistling that I tell you about all. You there, so shot before you hear the shot bust, you hear the bullet whistle past you and slam on the wall side of your head. And that whistling that I talk about. You know, see, but Jaja, you hear the Rasta? It come like the people them get climatized to threat to life, threat to them life. The people them get climatized. I mean, what kind of man do them thing there, Rasta? Who orchestrate? What kind of man orchestrate them thing there? And the sick saddest thing about it is that there's no standard, there's no limit. Everybody and anybody accept and appreciate love. Smile and laugh about them thing. All of the gunmen. All me there Jamaica, me a gun. I'm not a gunman friend in Rasta. Me there Jamaica, man, some boy. Keep not just certain boy, you know? You're mad. I'm gun in my hand anytime some boy come round me, man. You must be blood clot, man. I mean, I don't laugh for them, some of the things still from long time, my boy, I don't expect nothing else, you know. You know, see? And worse, when you get so chickeny and carefree and cold, when the drugs up. No crackhead now come walk up on me like that, like some me eat that. All I know on that drugs. You don't have no moral, you don't have no parents, Rasta. A Peter L when you come out of. Literally hell blood clot spawn is. You know see it? Baby, children, Rasta. I wanna bust no gun so in a crowd like, hey boy, me say, all of no mother should have blood clot dead when you're not born. All of no mother. You know see it? Yeah. And the cold and nasty. Evil, just Selassie I know. And the heights are evil them, the Rasta. When they decide, say, anybody dead, you just put your gun in a crowd all people where you not know. Anybody can dead and you good with that. Devil on a blood clot is and anybody will sit down on a bumper clot endorse and embrace them and facilitate them fuck behavior. Satan send no. And the Poco church need to come out. Now Obi no good again, a bumper clot. Now Obi not work. You see it? Because Obi did the real. Enough people Obi on no bumbo clot long time. For the wickedness them uno do to people and uno get with it. And on the other hand, uno go pay for Obi man protection. Uno feel like say the same Obi man them. People can't pay them enough. For fuck uno. For the wickedness them uno do. Yo, Obi not real man. You no go and spend and waste off on the blood clot money. And walk up and down with this gathering fuckery. Eh? So when you don't go do people evil, them people are not spend money to defend themselves like I want to spend money for protection. Them people are now going to step out and find a Obia man. Then, for Obia on no bombo and kill you. Them people are not doing it. Obia not real man. And you alone Obia work for. It look like. You sit in a phone, sick, twisted blood clot mind alone. Or be real. Any man, you see all the girl them will sleep with all them money, them mad at them. The mad at them will push out them nasty rascal, devil. Yeah. So all I know, Rasta is a stain upon the planet Earth. Yeah. And the frighteningest thing about it is that's a Jamaica. Out of Jamaica, them things are scientifically engineered. A wee bumbo clot stop apartheid in South Africa, you know, aya. And in the 1990, but I could say in the 80s. Yes, we not talk about when Mandela released. We not going a specific date. I say 80s. Hey, it's the last year I know. And if I say this, no, no. Rasta, Something desperately wrong. No. And you see our politicians, them sit one side and I go on like them no blood clot know what to do. As some me know say, them, I engineer them for career. And them behind them brutal bloodletting ya. Nothing can tell me nothing. When you see some boy go out and perform them sort of way in a public, them boy perform with impunity. Them jankra know say them nah go nowhere. Them nah go to prison Rasta. You see it? Them know that. So even if them get caught, even if them name call, even if them get on video, whichever politician them do the favor for, nah allow them to go to prison. Them know that. You see it? This look like it have some sick, twisted intent behind it rather than just a gang war or going after somebody in particular, Rasta. You see it? Almost like the Orange Lane massacre. We're not going to compare sorrows in a Rasta. You see it? But when you go grab a little baby and show about the baby in the fire, the mother put out the baby out of the fire and you throw about the baby in there. You should even have a grave. Yeah. A alligator them should carry go gate and hug, let them yam and shit out back. You shouldn't have nowhere in the earth where anybody can go look upon as no memory. You know see it? Nothing like that. Right you know, where the boy name I try him by name, you know. Right you know, people go look for him grave and root up with a blood clot back over and grind out them boy there in a something. You know see it? And dash it away. Enough in the earth. Jankra them there. Sick twisted devil. You could have open for him blood clot casket. As I open casket him bury in a twin, you know. And you could have open it and when you look in there, you know, nobody no bone no in there. Because Satan come back for him and carry him gonna hell. You have the gateway that you don't open the grave and put all a bumble hole like that in there. And the gateway that you don't open for send him back a hell Rasta. Them pick me a hell span and them no business. You know see? Them love it and embrace it. You know if you defend yourself against them. You know if you be brutal against them too. You know if you inform pan them. You know say the boy them now no mercy. You know, so the boy them now no consideration for nobody. What kind of consideration do not take about boy like this and people and police might I do all you see Jano. Thing are not acceptable in a no blood clot decade, no age, no time, no day. Them things are not acceptable, Rasta. Them things are not acceptable. The boy them will do this to suffer. You know say suffer, and you have influential people with them behind them bumbo clot too. If you don't mind, you have some prominent politicians. You know say, because we don't understand how this happens. Usually, a man want to do something where he knows say, yeah, if he might go to prison for it, it related to him. It's some way, some far beneficial to him. If you just walk out, they go randomly shoot up a football field of players and spectators, Rasta. Come on, man. Come on. And how it just quiet, hey, Jamaica small, everybody know who do it, everybody know which kind of man them do it. The people them when they pan them car and see them drive back in. If a town them come from and drive, go whole other people don't know them. People when they in Kingston and them car where them come from, know say a blood clot them do it. They don't know what they do. Protect them sort of element here. You know, say, and when for them they come, which is not far or not long ago, you know, because remember, yeah, remember, same knife with stick goat, stick sheep, remember that. So they kind of want to live pan because of them nasty, evil devil here, want to embrace. They kind of want to live pan and not expect it to get randomly shut up and calculative and consider no farmer consideration for the picnic. Them are no body where no woman or not with upon the corner. Because you know, una house and protect them sort of character here. I hope you prepare for phone day come, gunshot fly through no mama house, bust her head in her bed. Jankra, I hope you prepare if you don't sit down there and then dance and embrace them sort of people here Rasta. And you can't, not everybody in the community knows that them go do it. Because social media badness are going these days. Everybody in the community knows that them go do it. Now, so if you send them go give a police, no. No, man. Organize a map, man, and go for them and, yeah, you don't know the rest. You can't entertain and them sort of thing, the rest. You can't, the sick, twisted mentality there. Eh? Why? Why? When I introduce worse, far worse evil, the action them. You know, why the action them I get worse with more? Why? Yo, me no business and nobody want to say, you know, if you want to go over there with a Bible, go pray for them and convert them. Go and go blood clot, do it. Here with me, say me want to do. Organize a mob. You be tired of them fuck we are now Rasta exam for say, them boy I need to have something with them afraid. Like how the devil afraid of God. Yes, Rasta. Them boy if you have a power, them know so will come for them breathlessly, without concern. Without care if them want safety, Rasta. Without, yeah. Them boy you need for no man. You can't have them sort of element I run around randomly among society like that. It's careless. You know, see it? Yeah, it's careless. We can't. We're not supposed to do that. See them knife a stick, go to stick sheep. We don't go and protect them. It's them same one gonna shut up the corner. You think it's not stranger gonna come chase after them? Eh? Them bloodthirst gonna just make them one day them just get mad and just turn them back and just start bust it. You know, see it? Yeah, in the crowd. And just kill anybody because them not be the hey, Rastafari.